Hi guys, this week we're going to be reading Blackbeard, a Fierce Pirate. Blackbeard was one of the most hated pirates of all time. He became a pirate around 1713. He is thought to have come from England. His real name was Edward Teach. He had a long black beard that covered most of his face. He braided his long black beard and tied the braids with hemp. He also put hemp in his hair. Then he would light the hemp during battles. Blackbeard looked like his face was circled with fire. Many people were afraid of Blackbeard. When they saw him coming, they would give him what he wanted. Then Blackbeard would let them sail away. If people tried to fight Blackbeard, he would kill them. Even Blackbeard's own men were afraid of him. Blackbeard spent a lot of time off the coast of Virginia and the Carolinas in 1717 and 1718. His ship was called Queen Anne's Revenge. Blackbeard stole ships and held people for ransom. One day, his ship ran aground near Cape Fear. The governor of North Carolina pardoned Blackbeard, but Blackbeard would not stop his pirate ways. Blackbeard had captured more than 40 ships as a pirate. He had caused the death of hundreds of people. Finally, the governor sent a ship to arrest Blackbeard. There was a huge bloody battle. Blackbeard put up a big fight but was killed. He died with 5 bullets and more than 20 stab wounds in his body. All right, now it's your turn to practice.